500 grams fish, any firm-fleshed fish like tilapia, cod, or catfish. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, chopped. A ½ cup tamarind extract. Soak tamarind in warm water and extract the juice. A ½ cup coconut milk optional. 2 tablespoons oil. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. 1 sprig curry leaves. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons chili powder. Adjust according to your spice preference. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions: clean and cut the fish. Clean the fish thoroughly and cut it into desired pieces. Marinate the fish. Mix the fish with a little turmeric powder and salt. Allow it to marinate for 15–20 minutes. Prepare the spice paste. In a blender, combine chopped onions, tomatoes, turmeric powder, chili powder, and coriander powder. Blend into a smooth paste. Cooking thickery, heat oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add fenugreek seeds and curry leaves. Sauté for a minute. Add the spice paste and cook until the oil separates from the masala. Add tamarind extract. Add tamarind extract and bring it to a boil. Allow it to simmer for 5–7 minutes. Add fish. Add the marinated fish pieces to the gravy. Cook on medium heat until the fish is cooked through. Be gentle while stirring to avoid breaking the fish pieces. Optional: add coconut milk if you prefer a creamier texture. Add coconut milk at this stage and simmer for an additional 5 minutes. Adjust seasoning, taste, and adjust salt and spice levels according to your preference. Garnish. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve the fish gravy hot with steamed rice or your choice of bread. Enjoy your homemade fish gravy. Feel free to customize the recipe based on your taste preferences.